Shooting any particular scene is quite simple, but knowing the particular angle to shoot at a particular time is what makes you a professional. Hello my YouTubers, my name is Solex, and in today's video I'll be exploring the guides that help me whenever I'm shooting camera angles. Understanding what is camera angle and when to apply a particular camera angle is what will help you to shoot those professional shots that you have been seeing. In filmmaking, we have different type of camera angle, but in today's video we'll be looking at the first 5 major camera angles that we have. The 5 types of camera angle we want to talk about today are the eyes view, low angle, high angle, the bird eyes, and the Dutch angle. Now, what is the eye level? We call it eye level. This is simply focusing your camera strictly on the eyes region of your subject, trying to capture the motion and the direction of the subject eyes at that particular time. Number 2, the low angle. This involves positioning your camera at the lowest vertical axis to your subject, and it is applied when trying to show the strength of the subject you are shooting, or trying to give a kind of warrior, to give the impression that your subject is a warrior or is strengthened. That is when you apply your low angle shot. If you enjoyed this video, remember to follow our social media platform, which is displayed on the screen right now. Number 3, eye angle. Here, the camera is positioned above the subject, looking down on them. You can apply this if your subject is climbing a hill or any kind of walls. When your subject is climbing a wall, the subject you are shooting, if it's kind of climbing, you can apply the eye angle shot as is shown on this video right now. So the 4th one we have the bird eyes view. Have you ever seen a bird flying? You imagine how the bird sees everything down one line. Or have you ever been in an aeroplane before? The way you see it, that's simply the bird eye view that we are talking about at the camera angle. To get the best out of this camera angle, the filmmakers will use drone to capture the environment, and it's basically a wide shot which will try to express and show a very wide view of that environment that they shooting is taking place. Now, the last on our list, number 5, Dutch angle. This simply means tilting your camera horizontally, thereby creating a slant on your camera. This is Dutch angle, like what you are viewing now. What you are viewing now with your eyes is Dutch angle. Apart from the 5 major camera angles that we have mentioned and discussed in this video, we have other types of camera angles which are subsequently used while making film, but they are not the major one. That is why I have to discuss the major ones. We have the wide shot, the medium shot, the close-up, and many others. These camera angles are guided by a rule in filmmaking which is called rule of third. If you don't understand rule of third, go ahead, watch my video on rule of third, and remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more good tips.